Hello, everybody. GeoDroid John here. It's been so long since I've talked to you guys. I've had a lot going on. I have the print cave. I've been maneuvering things around and getting into a living situation. And I just wanted to thank you guys for coming back to the channel on Thanksgiving Day and just seeing what's going on. I don't have any new projects. I do have the Palette Plus tuned in. Whoop. And the Iron Man mask is coming along. The CR10 is doing just fine. I have some upgrades I want to do on that will actually be videos. The Tron XY is my favorite little machine. It just chugs along and it prints out beautiful, beautiful parts. And we have a dual Prusa knockoff up there. And I have some other printers in storage I'm working on. But right now I'm just playing around with the Palette Plus and trying to get the most value out of that. But mostly I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. And I hope that you enjoy time with your friends and family and have some good dinner and some good conversation. Tomorrow on Black Friday, I will have some links to some GearBest equipment, and there are some pretty good deals. And if you're interested in buying a 3D printer or want to help support the channel, because that's the only way I'm actually getting paid to do any of these videos is through these affiliate links. And I do appreciate those few people that have bought printers under my recommendation, and I love to hear from you and see how those printers are working out. So come back tomorrow on Black Friday. I will publish a video with some special links. I'll say 7 a.m. Eastern time, I'll publish a video. And you will get 3 good deals on 3 decent printers, very good printers that I would highly recommend. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and I'll see you next time.